초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
Good day everyone, I am Maria Teresa Lacaste, a first-year college student in Bachelor in Science and Social Work. For today's video, let's talk about scientific revolution. But before that, are you guys familiar with the word scientific revolution? Okay, scientific revolution is the name given to a period of dramatic change in scientific thought that took place during the 16th and 17th centuries. It replaced the Greek view of nature that had dominated science for almost 2,000 years. The scientific revolution was characterized by an emphasis on abstract reasoning, quantitative thought, and understanding of how nature works, the view of nature as a machine, and the development of an experimental scientific method. A heliocentric theory, a Newtonian physics, and the DNA that carries genetic information are examples of scientific revolution. So, now, does scientific revolution change the world? Yes. The scientific revolution led to the creation of new knowledge systems, social hierarchies, and networks of knowledge systems, and networks of thinkers. It also affected production and distribution. So, how did the scientific revolution impact the world we live in today? Okay, that question is very good. Okay, I'll be the one to answer it. Scientific revolution has a great impact to the world nowadays. A lasting impact is evident within society today. Science is clearly emphasized in schooling, and STEAM continues to progress, while the thinker of the revolution directly challenged the findings of the church. Their motivation allows religion and science to coexist today. That was our first topic. Our next discussion is about the characteristics of the scientist or astronomer in scientific revolution. And is about the characteristics of the scientist or astronomer in scientific revolution. So first, let's start with Nicholas Copernicus. Copernicus was the first mathematician scientist. He used mathematical observation to collect information. He is also a Polish astronomer who put forth the theory that the sun is at rest near the center of the universe. Nicholas Copernicus in 15th century uses a mathematics observation to propose a different idea of the universe. His theory was called the heliocentric theory. This is where the Earth and other planets travel in orbits around the sun. And second, we have Johannes Kepler. Kepler was a German scientist, mathematician, astronomer who expanded Copernicus' theory about the heliocentric universe. He was the one who wrote precise mathematical laws describing the planet's movements around the sun. He is also known for the 3 laws of planetary motion. These laws are: first, planets move in orbits shaped like an ellipse. Second, a line between a planet and the sun covers equal area in equal time. And the last one, how long a planet takes to go around the sun is related to the radius of planets' orbits. This law was a great influence on Isaac Newton. Third was Galileo Galilei. Galileo was an Italian natural philosopher, astronomer, and also a mathematician who made fundamental contribution to science of motion, astronomy and strength of materials and so on. In 1609 century, he invented a telescope used glass lenses to make distant objects look much closer. The last one was Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton was the greatest English mathematician and a scientist. His greatest discovery was the law of gravity. In 1687, he published a book known as Principia or Principle or the Mathematical Principle of Natural Philosophy. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.